Kia hiwara, kia hiwara. Kia hiwara ki tēnā tuku, kia hiwara ki tēnei tuku. Kia tū, kia oho, kia matara. Kia hiwara. Hui! Whānau te Umuariki here for our short heads up on the pre-workout. This is a pre-workout whānau to working towards our 10-week Māori language program that we're going to run out very shortly. But over the next 5 days, I'm going to give you a bit of a pre-workout. 5 little things we're going to talk about here real quickly today, and we'll start in a couple of days, okay? So I want you to get your heads around it. 5 things. Here they go. A, E, I, O, U. Just try that. A, E, I, O, U. Way to go, way to go. I know you're doing it out there. First of all, A. I'd like you to grab a couple of notebooks, or even one. These little ones are about 5 cents at the shop. They're only little. They've got about 32 leaves, which translates as 64 pages. Just small ones. That'll be good for your Kiimai 5 workout that we're going to start with your 5 components. That little one there. But if you're looking to consolidate and strengthen your reo and looking for a little bit more, try and find another notebook that's got more pages. We're going to break this one down into 5 parts, and this part here is going to have 10 parts. So those are different things that we'll be covering over the next 10 weeks. Okay, so that's A, puka tuhinga, a notebook, or a puka iti, little one. Okay, whānau. E, we're going to deal with, I've called it the signs. The signs. So we're going to put together some sign language to help you online over the next 10 weeks. Nice and simple. Just a few components here, and we'll do a little bit each day in our pre-workout, working towards our 10-week Māori language program. A, E, I. The sounds. We're going to work on our sounds for those of you out there who are just beginning the reo, and for those of you who need to tune up. It's just about tuning. Tune our guitar, tune our korokoro, tune our senses, and awaken them, allure them to the mahi that's coming. So that'll be ngā oro, te matatau o te reo. Kapai, the sounds. Then we've got the deets. We'll get into some details about our upcoming, whether it's going to be the 10-week karakia challenge, or at this time it's going to be the 10-week Kiimai 5 workout. Kapai whānau, that's A, E, I, O, that's the deets, and U, the plan. And then, so just prior towards starting, we'll roll out the game plan and what it's going to look like over the next few weeks. I reckon that's enough, as I say, for a mellow puff. Don't forget the notebook. Grab yourself a notebook this weekend, because we're going to start the pre-workout on Monday, coming in a couple of days, okay? I'll see you out there. Have a great weekend, or whatever you're doing at the moment, and we'll look at starting this on a Monday. All right? However, if you can't join us to do it, it'll only be a short little clip going up, and also the workout itself. They're only 2-minute clips, those workouts once we start it. So nice and easy. See you out there. That's enough for now. Huie taiki e.